Nicole, will you remind us of the background to all of this?
Well, Colette, people may remember that Enoch Burke was jailed for 108 days for refusing to obey court orders to stay away from Wilson's Hospital School. But he was released just before Christmas after Mr Justice Brian O'Moore found that he was using imprisonment for his own ends. But he returned to the school after the Christmas holidays, and that led to the school seeking an order for the sequestration or the temporary seizure of his assets as an alternative method to try to make him abide by the existing court order. But it said that a fine would also be an option. And today, Mr Justice O'Moore ruled that Enoch Burke had indeed breached the court orders once again, and that he would be likely to continue to do so unless the court acted. And he said that a fine was the most appropriate course of action given the very unusual circumstances of this case. He said that imprisonment was not attractive at the moment, so he wouldn't order that yet. And he said that he also didn't believe that temporarily seizing his assets would convince him to comply with the court orders. So he said that he would order that Enoch Burke be fined €700 every day unless and until he purges his contempt of court by giving an undertaking to stay away from the school. And he gave him until 2 p.m. tomorrow to give that undertaking. He said that the total amount of this fine should amount to just shy of €5,000 per week. And he said that that figure should persuade Enoch Burke to end his utterly pointless attendance at a school that does not want him on his premises. However, he said that if the fine did not have the desired effect, it could always be increased. So he said he would put the case back in for mention on the 10th of February to monitor Enoch Burke's compliance. And he said that he would also decide who should pay the costs for this part of the saga on that date.
All right, Nicole, thank you for all of that.